Neural cellular automata. Explained by cats. Kitty has medical images. Kitty wants to segment them. But big model is expensive. And Kitty is poor. Can't afford big models. He needs a small but robust model. So Kitty explores other options. Kitty finds NCA. NCA can also grow patterns, segment, and classify images. But Kitty has a different problem now. Kitty is overwhelmed with long papers, too much text. Kitty wants a simple tutorial. Kitty has found our project, an overview on NCA with minimally working NCA implementations. Kitty can follow guides for image segmentation, classification, and generation. Kitty learns that NCA is small but powerful. Exactly what Kitty was looking for. Finally, Kitty is happy. Now he can start exploring NCA.